However, if you keep the split before the steering pivoting point, you're going to be flexing the very narrow cables. And eventually, these cables will break apart. So to prevent any communication errors, keep the split after the steering hack. So you're gonna pass the electrical wires together with the brake line, so you can make something clear, nice and tidy, at the same time that the electrical wire is being supported but by a very strong wire, which is the brake system. One thing that you should never do is getting the controller wires and passing them in between the frame and the motor.
Another video coming to an end. If you like it, please share and subscribe to our channel. If you didn't like it, send it to your enemies.